Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management show on YouTube. If you guys clicked on this video, that means that you guys don't know where to begin trading, or if you're already an experienced trader, you need some more tips and tricks to really become successful. That's why I'm going to be sending all of my subscribers this free book. So you got to just shoot me a message either on Instagram or Facebook at Trading with Carter, and I'll send you one, no problem. But today's episode is brought to you by Trade Ideas. So Trade Ideas is a premium day trading scanner that can scan the entire market within milliseconds. So use code MVP15 to get 15% off of any product. The link will be down there, so click that. It'll shoot you right to it. But today's episode is pretty much talking about where to begin day trading. So as day traders, you know, a lot of people think, and a lot of people ask, how hard is it? Where do I even begin? And before we even get into everything, you have to understand that day trading is one of the most stressful, most complicated, and one of the most time exhausting things that you can do. Yes, it's not like working a 9-to-5 job. It's not like punching in every single day and using your time for money. Your skill set is going to be how much you pretty much make. A lot of people say, where do I begin? Education. The more you learn, the more you're gonna earn. So just keep that in mind. I don't care if you guys watch 200,000 videos on YouTube. You guys have to understand that your experience and your practice and your knowledge is going to come in handy. It's going to be one of the most important things that you can do. And if you take 4 years, look at a doctor. A doctor's in school for 7 years. Then it goes out and maybe does a specialty for another 4. So you could be in school for like 11, 12, 13 years, and you come out of that with a good job. Now, day trading is no different. Now, I'm not saying it's going to take you 13 years because it didn't take me that long, but I'm saying that you cannot watch a YouTube video on how to perform a double bypass heart surgery and then go perform one that next day. That's what I'm saying. It's going to come down to a lot of, hard work. It's going to come down to, how much you're willing to invest, whether it's time, money, everything like that. So when people say where to begin, you just got to learn. You have to learn as much as you can. And if you have a full-time job, you have probably more money than somebody that doesn't. So you should be spending that money on education. You should be spending that money on community of traders, Trade Ideas. I think Trade Ideas is one of the best scanners that you can get. All that stuff will be down below for you guys. So people ask me literally every single day, is day trading hard? Is day trading, where do I begin? So I'm making this video for pretty much all of you guys out there. It's just a lot of hard work. I can't stress that enough. And right when you learn everything, you have to begin paper trading. Now, a lot of you guys think that paper trading is useless. I'm telling you, it is one of the best things that you can do as a new or even a professional trader. Myself, I paper trade. I paper trade probably maybe 1 day a week. Why do I do that? To perfect my strategy. If I want to try something else, if I want to try different entries, different exits, different pattern recognition, I'm not going to invest my hard-earned money for that. I want to invest simulation money and learn it and realize what works, what doesn't, and do that for a year before I implicate that strategy with real money. And I think you guys should take advantage of that, because there are a ton of free programs out there that really you can use. And Thinkorswim real time is great. I'll put a link down below for that. But so where do we begin? It's a broad question. So I just think education. I think paper trading
And I think, you know, really being surrounded by a community of people. So if let's say you read this book, if you spent $5,000 on courses and you have questions, you shouldn't have an issue with asking people. Asking people is one of the most important things that you should do. So being surrounded by a community of people who have either went through stock courses or have some experience is going to be helpful. It's going to be helpful for everybody. But another thing that you guys can do as a beginner trader is start treating it not as a hobby, not as a, oh, I am a day trader, put it in my Instagram bio because I look at the stock charts for an hour. No. You guys should really be treating day trading as a business. I know I'm saying all this stuff and I know it can be confusing, overwhelming, stressful, but if you're putting, you know, let's say you're putting half of your energy in it, you're going to get half of the results. And if you're putting half of your, you know, your money that you want to use for education in, you're going to get half of that education for yourself. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to treat it like a business, and I guarantee if you do that, over time you'll become profitable. I could almost guarantee it. Now the reason why 90 to 85% of traders fail, it's not because they give up. It's not because they, you know, they don't like it. It's because they don't understand what they're doing, and they don't have the education, they don't have the patience for everything that successful traders do. But alright guys, so I am done blabbering. I'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Don't forget, trade ideas down below, hit that up. Even click on it, see what it is, guys. See what it is, see if you like it. But that is it though. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care.